Welcome to Zen Zone Health. Today we're diving into a topic that's a bit stinky but super important: why your farts smell bad. Let's be real, we all do it. It's a natural bodily function, but sometimes those toots can be extra potent, and it's not just about clearing a room. There could be some underlying reasons for those extra smelly farts, and some of them might surprise you.
Okay, so let's break down the science of stinky farts. One of the biggest culprits is sulfur. Certain foods, especially those high in sulfur, are like fuel for those potent smells. We're talking about your cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, all those healthy foods your mom always told you to eat. Eggs and meat can also be big contributors to sulfur in your diet. When sulfur breaks down in your digestive system, it releases a gas called hydrogen sulfide. And guess what? Hydrogen sulfide smells like rotten eggs. But hey, it's a natural process. The good news is, just because you eat these foods doesn't mean you're destined for a lifetime of stinky farts. You can try cooking them differently, maybe steaming or roasting instead of frying. Experiment and see what works for you. Remember, moderation is key.
Now, if you're hitting the gym hard and loading up on protein, especially animal-based protein, that could be another reason for those extra smelly farts. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but digesting all that protein can produce certain gases as it breaks down. We're talking about ammonia and sulfur, both of which can pack quite a punch in the odor department. When you're working out, you're breaking down muscle tissue, releasing ammonia. It's totally normal, but if it's becoming a consistent issue, there are a few things you can try. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Water helps flush out waste products and aids digestion. Consider the types of protein you're consuming. Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils tend to be easier on the digestive system. Experiment with different protein sources to see what works best for you.
Alright, let's talk about lactose intolerance. This is a common issue where people have trouble digesting lactose, a sugar found in dairy products. If you're lactose intolerant and indulge in dairy, you might experience some not-so-pleasant side effects, including smelly gas. When your body can't break down lactose, it ferments in your gut, producing gases. The good news is that there are many dairy-free alternatives available, from almond milk to cashew cheese. You can still enjoy your favorite foods without the digestive discomfort. If you suspect you might be lactose intolerant, talk to your doctor for proper diagnosis and management. Now, lactose intolerance isn't the only food culprit when it comes to smelly farts. You might also have other food intolerances or sensitivities that are throwing your gut for a loop. Gluten, for example, is a common one. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, and it can cause all sorts of digestive issues for some people. Food intolerances are different from allergies. An allergy triggers an immune response, while an intolerance means your body has trouble digesting a particular food. Both can lead to gas, bloating, and yes, those dreaded smelly farts. If you notice that certain foods seem to trigger digestive issues for you, keep a food journal. Write down what you eat and how you feel afterward to identify patterns and pinpoint culprits.
Let's talk about your gut microbiome, an incredible community of trillions of bacteria in your digestive tract. Most of these bacteria are beneficial and play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even your mood. But when there's an imbalance between the good and bad bacteria, things can get a little fragrant. This imbalance can be caused by antibiotics, a diet high in processed foods, and even stress. When bad bacteria outnumber the good, it can lead to excessive fermentation of food in your gut, producing gas.
We've all been there. That feeling of being backed up and uncomfortable. Constipation happens when stool sits in your colon for a long time, making it difficult to pass. When stool hangs out in your colon, it gives gut bacteria more time to ferment undigested food. The longer the fermentation process, the more potent the gases become. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Water helps soften stool and makes it easier to pass. Fiber is also your best friend when it comes to constipation. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are great sources of fiber. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps keep things moving along smoothly.
Certain medications and supplements can impact the smell of your farts. Antibiotics, for example, can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut. When antibiotics wipe out some of the good bacteria along with the bad, it can create an environment where odor-producing bacteria thrive. Some supplements, like iron or fiber supplements, can also cause gas and bloating. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new medications or supplements to ensure they won't wreak havoc on your gut.
Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your digestive health. When you're dehydrated, your body doesn't have enough fluids to function properly, including digestion. Dehydration can slow down digestion, causing food to sit in your stomach and intestines longer. This leads to more fermentation and more gas. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day and getting fluids from other sources like fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas.
Most of the time, smelly farts are nothing to worry about. It's usually just a sign that you need to make a few dietary or lifestyle tweaks. But in some cases, persistent foul-smelling gas can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, celiac disease, and Crohn's disease can cause digestive disturbances, leading to excessive gas and bloating. If you're experiencing other symptoms along with smelly farts, like abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, or unexplained weight loss, see your doctor.
So there you have it. 9 reasons why your farts might smell extra bad. Remember, it's all part of being human, and most of the time, it's nothing to be embarrassed about. But if those smelly farts are starting to interfere with your life or are accompanied by other symptoms, consult with a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching Zen Zone Health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and insights.